So from a point P, A, B, C, correct, perpendicular PA and PB are drawn to YZ and ZX plane. YZ means we know all what it is, correct? Yeah, the X will be 0 and ZX. In the sense, obviously, Y term will be 0. But what is my P, A, B, C? It's a very easy question. In plane, mostly we'll use what determinant in plane we will use determinants. So here they are telling what P is what ABC, correct, and PA and PB are perpendicular, correct, to what planes? XY and ZX planes. Sorry, YZ and ZX planes, perpendicular to YZ, YZ and ZX planes. So YZ in the sense X is 0, correct? Yes, YZ in the sense obviously the X is 0, so it will be what 0 BC, another will be what, another will be A0Z for ZX, because ZX what is 0, Y component is 0, this is X component is 0. Yes, correct. Then I have to just find what determinant of this. XYZ, I'll write it down, XYZ, correct. Another first one is what 0BC, then A0C. Yes, and this had equate to what? Equal to 0. Determinant is equal to 0, and if I equate these things, I'll get my answer for the question. And that will be my option B. Please try it and let me know. So the question is find distance of the point 1, 2, 3 from the plane 3y plus 4z plus 4 is equal to 0. Correct. So this is again a very easy question for me. I just take the what, the modulo of this. Yes, the modulus sign. Then I know what to do it. Plane is what, 3. So first is what, this is a very easy question for me to do. So guys, the only thing we have to be very careful in this question is this is my X, Y, and Z. Okay, well, so while multiplication, I have to do what? 3 into 3y. So y is what, my 2. 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 4. Okay, y and z. This one term I have to not include. That's it. By what? Root of 3 square plus 4 square. That's it. Because we don't have the x square here. That's it. Yes. What is the answer I'm getting here? On the top, I will get 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 12. Correct? 6 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So mod of 22 by, what is this thing? 5. 3, 4. So it's a triangular number. So 3, 4 in the sense the hypotenuse is 5. Triangular number. 22 by 5. That is what? 4.4. That's my answer. Correct. Option A. So we have to be very careful in this. X they will try to give us and they'll try to confuse. But we have to multiply 3y in the sense only with the 2. This is a very simple question. So guys, we have to be very thorough with the 3-dimensional plane. Then only we can get the answers correct for this kind of questions. 5th question. Coplanar. Correct. So first thing in this coplanarity, if we get a question called coplanar, determinant value is equal to 0. That is my first thing. Correct. Then how do I write these things? How do I write the determinant value? That is the other focus for us. So guys, coplanarity, the first important thing for coplanarity, I'll write down. For 2 lines to be coplanar. Okay. Key idea. This is the most important thing for us to do. So to be coplanar, This is my coplanar written here. Correct. So what is it actually? X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, and z2 minus z1. Correct. And here I'll write what? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, and C2. But guys, coming to this, very easy if you know this thing. Correct. It is x2 minus x1 in the sense x2 minus x1. The sense minus 1 minus of minus 2, that is plus 1. Y2 minus y1. So minus 4 minus of minus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is what? What is it actually? Minus 1. Minus y plus 4. It is again minus 1. Then I write this thing. 1, 1 minus k. Correct? Then k2, 1. Then I have to equate to 0. Yes? Then I have to find what determinant of this. Okay. Fine. Then I have to get determinant of this. But I'll tell you once small thing in this. K and k is there. Correct. Depending upon a number of k's, we can actually predict the answer in this. Okay. For doing fast, without doing anything, if you want to do it fast, just with the number of k's, it cannot have 3 values. Any value not possible, obviously. One value obviously not possible unless the case comes in the same thing. If it comes in the same diagram, then it can have one value. So it can be either C or D. But if you are having case in not in the same column or row, not in the same column or row, it should have, and if there are two values of K, it should have exactly two values. So for doing that, by just by using the common sense, you can think and do it. Clear? But the most important thing is, even if you're doing determinant, it won't take more than 1 minute of time. I guarantee you that. Fine. So the most important thing for us to learn is how we are getting this 1 minus 1 and minus 1. That is nothing but by using our formula. X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, and c2. This is my key idea in this. The volume of a parallelopiped whose adjacent sides are A, they are given, B, they are given is what? We have to do in what it is determinants here. Okay, for example, here also what you have to do? Volume, in the sense A cross B here. A cross B we have to do. Determinant part. Correct. I, J, and K. Then what is here? 1, 2, and that's it, 0. So 1, 2, and 0. So better I'll use another color maybe. Yeah. 1, 2, and 0. And here what I'll put? How will I get that thing? Yes, other one is what? 0, 1, and 2. Other one is 0. B is A cross B first thing. A cross B. 0, 1, and 2. 1, 2, and 0. Another is 0, 1, and 2. And C is there with us. Correct? So determinant value, whatever you get, we have to do dot product with what? C. So in this kind of question, the parallel piped question, it's something like this. I'll show you the formula for this. It is nothing but A cross B, correct, dot C. You got the point. So parallel piped. The volume parallel piped is what? The mode of this thing. The mode of A cross B dot C. Cross in the sense we have to use what? Determinant. Dot product we know. I dot I is equal to 1, J dot J is equal to 1, K dot K is equal to 1. Rest all other are equal to 0. So once we do this, we will be getting the answer. So this is option B is our answer for this. You can check it out.